Welcome to the channel. Today on Car Vibes, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic and instantly recognizable cars ever made, the Citroën 2CV. A true symbol of simplicity, practicality, and French automotive ingenuity, the 2CV has a rich history and a unique charm that continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world. This isn't just a car, it's a cultural artifact on wheels. So let's get into it. The Citroën 2CV, affectionately known as the Deux Chevaux in its home country of France, was introduced at the Paris Motor Show in 1948 and remained in production until 1990. That's over 4 decades of continuous production, with more than 3.8 million units made. At first glance, the 2CV might look like a quirky tin can on wheels, but it was a revolutionary design for its time. Created with the goal of providing basic, affordable transport to rural populations in post-war France, the 2CV was designed to be incredibly simple, reliable, and easy to maintain. Looking at the exterior, the design is unmistakable. It has that rounded, almost cartoonish shape that makes it stand out from anything else on the road. The 2CV's body is made of lightweight steel with bolt-on panels, which makes it easy to repair and maintain. The soft, roll-back canvas roof is one of its signature features. It's not just for aesthetics, it was meant to allow tall cargo, like a ladder or a basket of hay, to be carried sticking out the top. The front grille, round headlamps, and exposed wheel arches give the car a distinct retro personality that turns heads even today. Despite its basic looks, the 2CV's engineering is surprisingly clever. Its suspension system, designed for driving over rough farmland terrain, is legendary. With a setup of horizontal coil springs and dampers mounted outside the car's body, the 2CV delivers an unbelievably smooth ride, even over bumpy, uneven surfaces. In fact, the original design brief required that the car be able to carry a basket of eggs across a plowed field without breaking them. And it delivered. The 2CV was never meant to be a fast car. Performance-wise, it's all about modesty and efficiency. Early models were powered by a tiny 375cc air-cooled, 2-cylinder engine producing just 9 horsepower. Later models saw incremental increases in displacement and power, with the final versions topping out at 602cc and around 29 horsepower. That might sound laughable by modern standards, but the car's light weight, around 600 kilograms, means it could still manage a top speed of about 65 miles per hour, or just over 100 kilometers per hour. Acceleration is leisurely, to say the least, but that was never the point. What matters is that the 2CV could go almost anywhere, sip fuel, and keep going with minimal maintenance. Driving a 2CV is a unique experience. The gear shifter is a metal rod protruding from the dashboard, moving in a dog-leg pattern that can be puzzling at first but becomes intuitive with use. The steering is light and direct, and thanks to the car's narrow tires and low center of gravity, it actually handles better than you might expect. There's a kind of honesty in the driving feel. Nothing is filtered or overly assisted, and that raw mechanical connection is something that's been lost in modern cars. Step inside the cabin, and you'll see just how minimalistic the 2CV really is. The interior is Spartan by today's standards, but it's full of character. Early models had simple metal dashboards with just the essentials: a speedometer, fuel gauge, and maybe a few switches. There's no luxury here, but everything serves a purpose. The seats are more like hammocks stretched over metal frames, offering surprising comfort and a bouncy, airy feel. They can be easily removed and used as picnic chairs, which really sums up the 2CVs. Playful practicality. There's plenty of headroom thanks to the curved roofline, and the visibility is excellent thanks to the tall windows and upright driving position. Don't expect high-tech features or sound insulation. You're going to hear the engine, the road, and the wind. But again, that's part of the charm. Every drive in a 2CV feels like a little adventure. Storage is basic, with a modest trunk in the back and no center console or cup holders. But you'll find space for the essentials. The doors are thin and lightweight, and they open wide to make getting in and out easy. The windows flip up rather than rolling down, a quirky yet functional solution that saves space and cost. Despite its basic construction, the 2CV is incredibly durable. Owners have been known to drive them across continents, through deserts, and over mountain passes. Its mechanical simplicity is its greatest strength, fewer things to go wrong, and when they do, they're easy and cheap to fix. It's a car that invites you to get your hands dirty and become part of its story. Now let's talk about price and value. Back when it was new, the 2CV was one of the cheapest cars you could buy in Europe. That affordability was part of its mission, to put the average person behind the wheel. Today, The 2CV is a sought-after classic. Prices vary widely depending on condition, model year, and originality. A well-used, rough-running 2CV might be found for under $10,000, but good examples typically start around $15,000 to $20,000. Rare editions, like the Charleston or the early Ripple bonnet models, can fetch $30,000 or more. Restored or pristine collector-grade 2CVs can even reach upwards of $40,000. Of course, you're not buying a 2CV for speed or status. You're buying it for the experience, the heritage, and the joy of driving something utterly unique. The running costs are low, thanks to great fuel economy, easily over 40 mpg, and cheap parts. Insurance is usually affordable, especially if you insure it as a classic car. In many countries, the 2CV also qualifies for historic vehicle tax exemptions and other benefits. The Citroën 2CV has inspired generations of car lovers and continues to have a passionate following worldwide. There are clubs, meetups, and events dedicated solely to this little French legend. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle, one that celebrates simplicity, freedom, and the open road. Even today, there's a certain magic in seeing a 2CV puttering down a country lane or parked at a cafe in the sun. It evokes a slower, more thoughtful way of life that's becoming increasingly rare. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just someone looking to experience something different, the 2CV offers a driving experience unlike anything else. It's the kind of car that makes people smile, not because it's flashy or expensive, but because it's real. It's honest, practical, and full of charm. In a world of oversized SUVs and complex electronics, the 2CV reminds us that sometimes less truly is more. So there you have it, a full look at the Citroën 2CV. From its humble beginnings to its cult status today, this is a car that proves you don't need speed or luxury to make a lasting impact. If you ever get the chance to drive one, take it. It might just change the way you think about cars. Thanks for watching Car Vibes. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've ever driven or ridden in a 2CV. We'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay curious, drive classic, and keep the vibes rolling.